In this video, I'll be sharing a brief about the research which was done with the Art of Living Foundation. And this has been published in the journal, in which we will share with you the details. So what is Art of Living? This was initiated by Sri Ravi Shankar ji, and this is a powerful breathing technique which will change one's life. And this is his main message being that love and wisdom can prevail over hatred and violence. This is a powerful yet simple rhythmic breathing technique which incorporates specific natural rhythms of the breath, and it harmonizes the mind, the body, and the emotions. The benefits of Sudarshan Kriya Yoga are that it keeps the body energized, it keeps the mind calm, and it helps in good relaxation and improves your focus and concentration. So it eliminates depression, stress, and fatigue, anger, and frustration. To understand the impact of Sudarshan Kriya Yoga on our brain, we conducted a research. In this, the EEG, that is the activity generated by the cells in the brain, was recorded before and after performing the Sudarshan Kriya Yoga. The average age of the volunteers was 25 years, and there were 40 subjects, and all of them were regular practitioners of the Sudarshan Kriya Yoga. Just to go over this briefly before we enter the results, what do we record in the EEG? We record an activity, or what are called as brain waves, of different frequencies. In an alert, awake subject, the commonest wave seen is an alpha wave, and this has frequency from 8 to 13 hertz. The ones lower than this are called as slower waves, and the ones on a faster frequency are called as the faster waves. So the slower ones, very slow, are something called as delta waves, usually seen in deep sleep. And we have the theta waves, which are seen in light sleep or meditative states. In the faster activity, we have beta waves, which when one is very excited or tense and very stressed. And then you have intense neuronal activity, which is depicted by the waves which are called as gamma waves, which are above 30 hertz. So what were the results of our study? It was seen that all the waves globally were increased after Sudarshan Kriya. That means that whether it was the slow waves, and this is the delta, the theta, the alpha, the beta, gamma, all were increased. And the increase was noted much more in the faster waves. So that is the first result, that Sudarshan Kriya Yoga activates the brain globally, with the faster frequencies getting a much higher gain. The second thing which was noted was that there was improved coherence between the right and the left brain activity. So what does this mean? We have two sides of the brain, or two hemispheres as they are called, and they are the right and the left. The left one is usually the more dominant one, and it is involved in things like the logic, the language, the grammar, memory. It's more analytical on the whole, strategy, facts, etc. Whereas the right one is more connected with the creativity, feeling, emotions, concentration, visual, spatial orientation, intuition, the art, and rhythm. And usually, like I said, in majority of the people, the left brain is dominant. What did we find? We found that Sudarshan Kriya Yoga acted to improve the synchronization, or improves what is called as the coherence, which was measured by the EEG activity. So what does this all mean? It's seen that these two impacts that we had. One was a global increase in the activity, and second is the improved coherence will lead to a better attention, improvement in memory, emotional and autonomic control, improved cognitive functions, and overall a much improved feeling of physical and mental well-being. The article was published in the International Journal of Yoga in this year 2020. The title was High Frequency Cerebral Activation and Interhemispheric Synchronization Following Sudarshan Kriya Yoga as Global Brain Rhythms, the State Effects. The thanks to all the contributors, the authors, and of course, the Art of Living Foundation and the volunteers who participated in this to make us understand the functioning of the Sudarshan Kriya Yoga. Thank you so much for your attention.